You have literally scanned the entire Indian stock market in matter of 10 seconds. Imagine the power this has, and definitely solves your number one problem when you trade intraday. The biggest problem is scanning the entire stock market. Is it possible to scan it live with accurate signal with using absolutely free scanner? Is it even possible? 100% it's possible, and I'm going to show you how. And this problem of scanning intraday gonna be removed from your life forever, step by step. What are scanners? How it helps in money making? Scanners, it's really a blessing sent by Almighty for all the technical experts. You know why? Suppose if you are a trader, just to give you an example, you would like to short a stock when the RSI is above 95. So what are you going to do? You are going to scan every single stock all by yourself, right? It's gonna take you hours, okay? Or if you are a working professional and if you would like to long a stock which has given a breakout with volume. Now, after coming from office, you will spend at least 2 hours to figure out why can't there be a method by which you can just simply single click it for free and it's gonna scan the entire Indian stock market, all the stocks, and gonna give you a list of stocks, top 4-5 stocks which has given a breakout with volume. Dream come true, isn't it? You will save so much. So let's see how about this. How to use it using Streaks. Streak is a website which I'm gonna tell you. If you track technical analysis, you must know how to use it. Obviously, there is no doubt about it, right? How to use it. So let's go to Streaks. Let's learn every single thing there is to know about. Let's go. So first things first. First we have to come to streaks.tech. Okay, that's the website. When you go to Streaks, it's gonna tell you to log in via broker. If you log in via Zerodha or there are a couple of more brokers, the Streak is absolutely free of cost for you. For other brokers which are not on the list, Streak is very economical. You can buy a simple plan. They also have trial plans. Absolutely fine. You can use it. There is no issue. When you come here, it's gonna show you a list of all the scanners. What are the scanners available? Let's go to view all scanners and the entire world of scanning options open for you. First we see is potential 7-day range breakout. It's gonna tell you the stocks which is trading in a range, probably a 7-day range which is expected to give you certain kind of breakout. Just for a sample, if you touch here, you click here and you want to select Nifty 50, okay, daily time frame. You want to select the stocks which is trading in a range which is expected to give you a breakout or a breakdown. You run and save, just give it any name. It's very simple. One touch click, it has given you a list of stocks. Okay, here we go. If I do it again, yeah, right. So Nifty 50, there are 20 stocks which are hovering around the breakout. It is somehow trading in a 7-day range, right? So it's given you a list of stocks. For example, if I pick a BPCL, let me show you. Is it even correct, right? So I open trading view, I come here, I do BPCL, and as you can see here, if I just simply select it, oh, now nice, it's a daily time frame. It's telling you that during the 7-day time period, this stock is, expected to give you some kind of a breakdown. How do you know this? In just a matter of 1 second, scanner told you that this can be your potential stock which you must keep an eye if you are a trader who look forward to trade breakout or breakdown stocks really nicely. Now, can you change the time frame from daily to 15 minutes? Absolutely you can. You can also get the live signals. Now look at this beautiful scanner. Volume burst on a 5-minute candle. If you are an intraday trader, won't you like to know which stock is giving a breakout on a 5-minute time frame with the volume free of cost? Touch this scanner and select Nifty 50 or any other sector. Let me just show you how powerful this is, right? I hope you realize the value of what you're learning. You can select via industry as well. So energy sector, you can go with healthcare, you can go with finance, you can go weekly, you can do many things in this, and it's gonna tell you in the live market. Okay, that's, you should not forget, if you're trading intraday, entering early into the trend has its own advantage. Really nice. Now, because I'm an option trader, so I like to trade the most popular candlestick patterns. Okay, now the one of the most powerful pattern is inverted hammer pattern. Okay, if I just simply touch it, it's gonna show me the stocks which have already made some kind of an inverted hammer. And just to give you an example, if I touch here Nifty 50 stocks, probably if I just select this, and instead of going one day, suppose I go 15 minutes, okay, and then I just simply hit run and save. Now let's see what is going to happen. It's gonna give me a list of stocks, as you can see. So it's given me a Grasim stock. So Grasim is a stock which is sort of given me, sort of a hammer pattern. So let's see how this looks. So we come here on the Grasim, and what do we see is the last 15-minute candle has sort of given me an inverted hammer. So I can make a decision. If I go for daily time frame, then I can always select the stocks which has given me some kind of a inverted hammer. Depends on what streak is given me. It is gonna make the life really, really easy. There are a lot of scanners. The best part is you can also have your own scanner, like the example which I gave you for RSI. You come over here, you go back, then you go with for my scanners. You touch here, you scroll down, you see create a new scanner. Now you can create your own customized scanner based on RSI or based on Bollinger Band, based on moving average, anything. Let me show you real quick. So what we did is that we selected a 15-minute close of a candle which is closing above a 15-minute Bollinger Band. Okay, so if the stock is really going above Bollinger Band in closing, that means it's a highly bullish stock. Either you can look forward to go contra, you can look forward to short the call, because now the stock has really gone up. Obviously have a look at the volume, have a look at other things. It's given you a list of stocks, right? You can always filter it by a Nifty 500 or Nifty 50 or banking stocks, whatever you like to, right? Really smartly you can use it. I've just given you the 5% of what you can do if you really explore streaks. It's really fantastic. आपकी trading में जान आ जाएगी, because you're gonna be saving a lot of your mental work, and especially if you are a working person, you're gonna love it. It's all about improving in your trading. Time for VIP points. Obviously a sort of a reward for people who watch the video till the very end. If you enter in time frame less than 1 day, it's better to use option spreads and no naked options. So suppose if you trading inverted hammer, or if you are trading Heikin Ashi, anything, if the time frame is less than 1 minute, please do not do naked option selling. Please do not do that, because there's something called gamma. If your trade go against you, you don't want to lose massively. So enter with spreads is gonna give you a lot more mental comfort. You know your maximum loss beforehand. That gives you a lot of confidence. Obviously keeping a tight stop loss while trading, it's always recommended, but imagine it's gonna make your life so easy, you're not gonna believe it. That's how I say hit and trial way of trading. You're still doing hit and trial. What's the use of hit and trial when you can really elevate your game? You can learn the craft in record time, less monitoring. Premium strategies are perfect for low stress trading. There is no doubt about it. Alright guys, so I'm sure you're gonna use streaks a lot much better than what public do. And if you are into technical analysis, today you have learned something which is really of a good use to you, and I'm sure you're gonna use it very smartly, free of cost, if you are with Zerodha or any other broker. Fantastic guys, so that's it from me today. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and like I always say, you're gonna do so well in trading. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.